Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Reanne, I live in Japan, and today we're going to be going to Strawberry Village. Our trip to Shizuoka had way more than we could ever even expect. It was beautiful. So on a hot day like this, we just grabbed a drink and started heading over. Enjoy! Welcome to Strawberry Village. This whole town prides themselves on how good their strawberries and their strawberry sweets are. Not to mention how cute this entire town was. When me and my boyfriend walked through those doors, it definitely took us by storm. They even had strawberry wine. So cool, right? After walking around a little bit, we realized that there was actually a shrine like right outside the door. So of course me and my boyfriend had to check it out. And let me tell you, there were a lot of steps. It was the perfect day to explore this place. It was sunny and nice and honestly not too bad under the trees. So we climbed for a while, and when we got a little higher up, we took some pictures. But not too long afterwards, we ended up heading back down. I also wanted to note the fact that all of these stores are run by families, so it pretty much felt like home as soon as you walked in. And the people who ran this place were super sweet. I'll never forget it. And to top it off, this smoothie was the best strawberry smoothie I've ever had. So after Strawberry Village, we headed out for our next adventure. We were pretty much driving all the way up the mountain. The views were incredible. It felt like at some point we were driving on clouds. We were headed towards a gondola that would transport us to certain places throughout the mountain. And honestly, the view from there was breathtaking. They even had Demon Slayer souvenirs that had the characters right next to the mountain. Oh, also, this place is called the Nihondaira Ropeway, if you ever want to check it out. On the pamphlet, it even shows you all the places that you can explore on the mountain, as well as the prices. Once it started moving, I started freaking out because it was so cool. Everything was filled with windows, so it felt like you were flying. I'd say this is definitely the best way to travel down a mountain. And we're here. Right off the bat, the place is beautiful. There's so much greenery, and it's right by the beach too. Alright, enjoy my short montage. Also, side note, there are so many steps, so I'm pretty sure I reached like 10 times my step goal. And when I got there, it looked super cool up close. As soon as we walked in, me and my boyfriend were greeted by the people who worked at the shrine, and I bought a fortune. Unfortunately, mine was unlucky. As you can see, it was so beautiful inside, and we had a lot of exploring to do. It wasn't that busy, but there were a couple of families that came to see the shrine as well. In order to pray at the shrine, you do 2 bows, clap 2 times, and 1 deep bow at the end. This part of the shrine was personally my favorite because of all of the amazing art. If you have a scanning app on your phone, they actually have English translations of all of the history in the shrine. Also, there is a ton of yen at the bottom of the water here, I think for donations. Throughout the day, me and my boyfriend walked around, and we even found a museum. Unfortunately, we couldn't take videos or pictures in there. They sold food here too, like ice cream and mochi and a ton of other stuff. As I was watching the view, I was really thankful for being able to live here and have the chance to make videos for you guys. We recently hit 800 subscribers, and that's insane to me. Your guys' support means so much to me, and it motivates me to do my best to make videos for you guys as much as I can. If you like videos like this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.